How about this? I got the garage door closed. It's rainy and cold outside, so it's that time of year. So, all right, hello everybody. Welcome to Buck Does It. Today I put a video together. I put exhaust on the Buck Skylark. I got all the parts with the purchase of the car. I got a new muffler, new intermediate pipe, tailpipe. What I had to do is buy a piece and the ball fitting for the intermediate pipe. And I went to the local exhaust shop and had them make me a test pipe. Remember the test pipes? You put a test pipe, take the catalytic converter out, put a test pipe in. Well, that's what I had made, and that's what I put on the car and put all the new exhaust on. Because I'm going to drive the car around. I'm going to run it until I get this big block ready to go in. So I'm going to run it up until winter time, and then in springtime I'll run it around, and then hopefully May, June, somewhere around there, we'll take that engine out, put this big one in there, and see how she runs then. So I hope you enjoy. Okay, I had to get my exhaust pipe expander because the pipe wouldn't fit inside easily. So let's expand this out here a little bit. About there. Let's see how that works. And we'll give it just a couple shots here. And I think it's just oval instead of round. Another thing is I lost all my O-rings. They got some rubber bands here. See if we can put them on there. Try to hold that thing together. And let's see how good we did. Not quite. Alright, we're gonna have to give her the beans. That's all it's to it. Have to watch it stretch a little, and then should be okay. That did it. That did it. We have to go in a little farther. All right, I'm gonna go get my my grinder. You back? All right, we're just gonna take the little lip off of here. We got this time. Man, real close. Okay, put her back in, give her the beans. I'd rather not go too far. There we are. Nice tight fit, yes. Bam! Boom, baby. Right, Bryce? All right, here we go. All right, I have the... You probably can't hear me. Hang on. How about that? You don't even have to jack the car up to put the exhaust pipe over. Anyway, I have the catalytic converter at the exhaust shop. I got some parts for him so he could make me a test pipe Remember those old test pipes, catalytic converter eliminator pipe? Well, that's what we used to call them. But anyway, I have him doing that for me right now. So I thought, well, might as well get the exhaust put on, hanging here, and then all I have to do is put the piece of pipe on and go from there. And of course, you can't see. Let's see if I can lower it for you a little bit. There we go. Hey, there you go. Ouch, that's sharp. Hey, alrighty then. I'm going to go to the other side and let's see if I can get you situated for over there. There you go. You might be able to see that, huh? Oh. Anyway, I want to hang the tailpipe so it lifts it a little bit for me. Make sure I got the right. Yeah, that's it there. Hey, cool. Yeah, that's the way that goes. So that'll hold it up a little bit. Now, where did I put the there it is. Okay, we're back over here. Let's see if I can get you hooked up here. How's that? And then I need to put this nut through here. Alrighty then, let's see how this works. All right. You just put it in there a little bit. And then we need to go for a hanger on the other side and some clamps. All right. Okay. There we go. It's hanging. You got the exhaust just laying on the ground up there. We're going to get that test pipe going, and then the tailpipe's over there hanging off the side there. So 2 1/4 inch clamp, 2 inch clamp, and be able to drive this thing anywhere now. Don't have to worry about the noise. All right, we quieted the buck down. I can't buy a test pipe anymore. Oh cool, I left my wrench under here. So I had one made. I had to make a plate there. So I had a test pipe made, and all brand new exhaust came with the car. So I thought, why not use it so I don't get fumes inside the car anymore, because You know, my quarter panels are wiped right out here. I need to fix them yet. Oh, look at that, I forgot to tighten the clamp. I was wondering what was rattling. We got brand new exhaust. I'll just tighten that clamp up. And it's a shaker too. Don't sound too bad, but got brand new stuff in there. That's probably with that clamp. So let me see if we can rev it up for you. All right, we're going for a ride. All right, thank y'all for watching. Please like and subscribe. Ring the notification bell if you want to be notified. And remember, be good. If you can't be good, be kind. See ya.